Welcome to my section on gender differences. I was actually a little reluctant to include this section in my course because, well, we're all so uniquely different even despite our gender. However, it is often the case that gender differences do impact our relationship. Men and women are impacted by cultural influences in their upbringing, which will inevitably impact your relationship. For example, I will show in this section how men are encouraged to shut down their emotions, deny their emotions, except for anger. And anger is the only culturally acceptable emotion for men, as you will learn in this unit. And we will also look at how this shutdown impacts both men and your relationship. And more important, it is necessary to learn and understand what emotions are beneath anger. Anger is actually a reaction to different emotions. For example, rather than feel fear or sadness or hurt, anger is what shows. And what happens then is men are often misunderstood. They misunderstand themselves and they are misunderstood by others. We don't recognize that they were actually hurt when they're showing anger, or they feel shame and they're showing anger. Again, you will learn about this as you go through this section. It is important to keep in mind that as we explore gender differences, we are simply trying to get to an understanding of how our differences affect each other. It is not meant to throw any one gender under the bus by blaming, criticizing, or shaming. The only productive thing we can do is to understand each other. When we understand, we have more tools to deepen our connection with each other. Understanding is the most powerful tool in a relationship. It is often our differences that make it difficult to connect. And remember that not all gender differences will apply to everyone. Learn in this unit what applies to the two of you. I'll see you in the next lesson.